Hey guys, today's April the 25th of 2015. I want to go over the pound dollar using price and time technical analysis, so please pause the video and read the video disclaimer. Okay, we're going to look at our commitments of trader report, and we can see that on the 14th, large speculators started going long, but they in reality have been going long from the 20th of January, just building a little base, buying positions. We did a little spike high there, a pivot high, and it kind of sold off. They kind of unwinded a little bit, but kind of, flat, sideways, a little spike up. Then it started consolidating here, and then it got a nice little flush, and it looks like they bought and they were buying more. And you can see that commercial was doing the opposite. Retail was kind of going with large speculators following it. And you can see that commercial are starting to unwind and short the pound dollar. So this is a pivot low. I can't say, I gotta research it a little more on the pound dollar, but it's a pretty good chart. I'm going to show you why. This is the weekly on the pound dollar, and you can see that we had a PPS buy signal. The only reason why I kind of didn't trust it, it was in the mobile band. And you haven't even gone above the 20. The linear regressions were pointing down. And mind you, this is a weekly, so we hit the 20, we hit the value area high, got a PPS sell signal flush, and we pushed even lower. Chopped around this week, just inside weeks, chopping around. Found support at the value area low of the 46.16, and now we got a second PPS buy signal, and we're hovering around the 20 simple moving average. We're still in mobile band, so I'm still not trusting it, but it's looking good because it's kind of setting a cluster here, like there's some support building up here, and I'm just by looking at the charts. But the 50's up here. Medium term, you're below the cloud, so medium term is still bearish, but showing some signs of strength. So I just want to put that out there. It's above the point of control, which is at 51.36. So it's pretty good if it could hold that level and maybe chop around here and push higher and maybe reach this value area high, which I think it probably might head to, and then maybe wait to kiss this 50 somewhere in the future around here, which is what it's value area high 55, 59, and I mean it's got a way to go for the 50 on the weekly, but as of right now, I wouldn't buy this if you think this is the bottom. I'm not too sure this is the bottom. I haven't done my calculations to at least confirm a possible bottom, like the dollar CAD. I can see some strong signs that there is a possible top. I can't say for this, but looking at the price action, the price action, could be saying maybe there is some truth to it. Especially looking at the commitments of trader report, they've been buying since January, slowly building a little long position. So we'll see. It looks like they're going long. Maybe we could take this high out. I don't know if we have, but what is that? 28. Yeah, it's close. It's 27. So let's see how next week will look. If we could take out this high and maybe meet somewhere around here. Looking at the daily, you can see that. You can look at it much in detail. See, the reason why I wouldn't buy it, it's over the linear regression channel, and it's very overextended, very overbought. But doesn't mean it could go higher. It could go higher. So you blew through the 20, blew through the 50 SMA. You're above the Ichimoku daily cloud. So short term, it's very bullish, very overextended. So I wouldn't be surprised if Monday comes, this thing starts, selling off. Maybe might find support here at the 50.93, maybe at the 50. Might chop around the cloud and may find support over here at the 49.98, or even back at this monthly pivot monthly pivot, exactly 49.23, or maybe the 48.60, coming down and then shoot up. But it might maybe hold this and maybe continue shooting high. I don't know, but I'm just showing you that I wouldn't buy this right now. You're gonna get it at a premium. You'd rather get it at a discount. The good thing is, above mobile, got a PPS buy signal on the 15th, and this thing started moving. I didn't trade this, and right now you look like you may want to even kiss the value area high, which is at 52.12, and you already kissed the 100 simple moving average. So that's really interesting. It got this far. This one's probably it's probably the best one, maybe besides the dollar CAD and the New Zealand dollar. Those are probably my three favorite right now. The euro is kind of like in a rut. It couldn't even blow the 50, so I'm kind of waiting on that. Probably, I'm going to do a video on the euro more in depth, but just giving you an overview of what I'm seeing with the other pairs. So this was pretty good. I think a game plan would be, once I do some calculations, just to see what's the reason between this April 13th, if there's any cause and effect and reasoning why this date is holding. Once I do my research, I might take a position if it pulls back to jump in there, something like go this. This is just speculating, maybe find here and then shoot up. If you take out that high right there, maybe that might be the place to oops. I gotta be better at my drawings. I kind of suck here. To do this, let's say it found here, find support somewhere around there, and then it shoots up. If you take out that high, wherever that is, that's probably you want to get in, or maybe you want to get in when it pulls back up. So that's kind of like something I'll be watching. But just want to give you my thoughts on the pound dollars. Hope this helps, and make some pips.